In this video, I explain how to use KeePassXC as both a password manager and a TOTP manager. KeePassXC is an open source password manager. What many users are not aware of is that it also functions as a highly capable TOTP generator. One of its key advantages is full user control. All passwords and TOTP secrets are stored locally and offline, with no reliance on external servers, unlike many popular cloud-based password managers. KeePassXC can be installed directly from your distribution's package repository or via the command line interface. To get started, create a new password database and assign it a name of your choice. Next, I demonstrate how KeePassXC generates strong passwords for online accounts and securely store credentials. For this demonstration, I create a new Proton Mail account. The username is hidden for security reasons. Password generation is straightforward. Once you select a suitable password, you can save it directly to database and use it to create the account. Finally, I show how KeePassXC can be used to generate TOTP codes, completing the setup for secure two-factor authentication.